This video will introduce you to the new Community Adolescent Pregnancy Prevention, CAPP Quarterly Report template and provide some basic instructions for using Excel. This video will not include instructions on how to enter data into the report. That is covered in video 2, Reporting. After opening the file, enlarge the document if needed by clicking the square icon in the upper right corner. Change the size of the document using the plus or minus scale on the bottom right. If you see Enable Editing in the center of the toolbar, click on that for greater functionality. Notice the tabs along the bottom. Each tab takes you to a different page. Use the triangles on the bottom left to advance the tabs right or left one at a time. Clicking the 3 dots on the right or left will advance tabs more quickly. Another basic Excel feature is the slider along the bottom. Use this bar to move the document right or left on the screen. Use the slider on the right to move the document up and down. Now let's review the workbook. An Excel workbook is a collection of spreadsheets. Each tab or page of this document is a spreadsheet, and you will see that the spreadsheets may have very different formats and uses. Advance the tabs so that the first tab on the left, 2020 Deliverables, is visible. Click on the Deliverable tab. This page provides a list of all the deliverables for the CAPP grant as a reference. Notice that under List A, B, and C, some of the criteria title have acronyms. These acronyms will be used in the report. Click the Guidance tab. The workbook is to be completed as a cumulative year-to-date report submitted within 2 weeks after the end of each quarter. The report ending June 30 will provide a complete, unduplicated history of services provided the prior 12 months. Return to the Guidance tab to find the naming convention to use when you save the reports. This page includes a list of definitions. This is a work in progress. If you have suggestions, please provide input into the CAPP Program Administrator at Prevent Child Abuse, Iowa. The next series of tabs are for reporting. Video 2, Reporting, provides instructions on how to complete these pages. Moving to the right, click the All tab. This page pulls data from activities 1 through 6 and the new activity page into one spreadsheet. If you find something that needs to be changed, return to the activity page to update the data. The list page displays the text that appears in drop-down boxes used throughout the workbook. For example, on Activity 4B, Outreach, click Type of Outreach. Click the first cell and an arrow appears. Click on the arrow and a drop-down menu appears for you to select the most applicable item. Back on the list page, in this example, 4B Outreach, the drop-down menu list is provided as well as some examples. Refer to this page anytime for an overview. To print, select the tab that you want to print. Select File. Click Print. In the preview, make sure this is the size and area you want to print. If it is, click Print again. To return to the document, click the arrow at top. If you want to change the area of the document that prints, select the area you want to print by right-clicking and dragging your mouse to highlight the desired area. In the toolbar, select Page Layout. Click the little arrow by Print Area and select Set Print Area. Now go to File, Print. I will show you a more advanced print option. Click Activity 1, File, Print. This page is preset to print all columns and about 30 rows on one legal-size paper. As you enter data and the document becomes longer, the smaller the print will become to fit on one page tall. To change this setting, click Page Setup. At Fit To, you can change from 1 page wide to 2 pages wide and 1 page tall to 2 pages tall. Click OK. Preview the changes before printing. When I get stumped with Excel, I often use the internet. There are lots of other people asking the same questions. Do a search for Excel print setting, for example, and see what you get. You can also contact PCA Iowa and talk to the program administrators for CAPP. Now, please watch video 2, Reporting.